reveal in 3, 2. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So if you read the title, you know exactly what you're in for. So most of my videos are like beauty or makeup related, so I thought like this could slip in quite nicely into my channel. So basically, if you watched my last video, I tried out TikTok hacks. I sort of painted a strip of my hair a color, and honestly, since I've done that, like, I fell in love with it. This is my natural hair. It's like super long and it's just plain brown right now. This is actually a box dye. I don't know if you can tell, but this is my root color, which is super dark. I'll insert a picture here of what I did last time and you'll see why I liked it so much. So as I said, I currently have a box dye in my hair, so I was gonna buy a color stripper and then strip my hair, bleach it, and then color it, but I thought I'm not trying to go blonde when I bleach it. I'm trying to go like an orange because the color I'm putting on top is orange anyway. So I bought this, which is the Garnier Nutrice Ultra Blonde Bleach Maximum Lightener, ammonia free for a pleasant smell, and it lightens up to 8 tones. It says if your hair is this dark, you can go to this. Now, I don't want to get my hair that light, so I'm only going to leave it on to like 20 minutes, I think, and 10 minutes on my roots because my roots are virgin hair, so that lightens a lot quicker. I then bought the Rebellious Colors Scarlet Red. So this is like a super red, and then I bought an orange. I don't know if I want orange. I want red. The orange I bought is the Crazy Colors orange. I'm gonna section off my hair, and as you can see, I'm wearing a top that I don't really care about. So I've sectioned my hair, and this is the part that I'm gonna bleach. Quite a lot, but I'd rather like do quite a bit so the color is quite noticeable. This is the developer. I think all the powder is in. Pour in the entire of this. I have a feeling this is gonna go like really light. This back on, screw it tightly and shake it. I don't know how long to shake this for. I'm shitting myself. Okay, so it says to immediately take this lid. So I've already brushed this section. What am I doing? I'm like not very good at this, so. I'm gonna do it without the foil for now. That's probably a very bad idea. I have watched plenty of Brad Mundo's videos to know that you really have to saturate your hair. Now we're gonna go here, but I'm leaving the actual very roots out. Shit. Okay, so I think I've got enough lightener on there. Okay, so that is done. Probably the worst I've ever seen someone do it.
11 minutes later.
So I thought I'd update you. This is how it looks after 10 minutes. I put it on my roots about 5 minutes ago. So I'm gonna wait till my roots get the same color as this, because right now my roots are like a lot darker. I don't know why I decided to bleach this little curl. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I feel like my roots under here are already lifted quite a lot, and then my roots up here haven't. Now that this is like coming along, I'm just gonna touch up the bleach along my roots. So I'm gonna leave it about 5 more minutes, and I think it's almost the same color. So yeah, 5 more minutes, and then I'll be taking this off, rinsing it, and I'll be back to apply the color.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So I thought I'd give you guys a little update. Regardless if I left my roots for last or not, they are chicken yellow, and the rest of my hair is still not light enough. I actually had to re-bleach it for like 15 minutes. Got bleach on my shirt. My hair is not going the color I wanted it to. This is a disaster. I'll come back once I've washed this out. Hopefully it's a little bit more of an even tone, and then we can color it. Okay, so this is the color we've got. My hair won't lift any more than this, and I don't want to damage it, but my roots are extremely yellow. I'm just gonna start coloring it and pray that it doesn't go bad. So I've got the Crazy Color Orange Semi-Permanent. That is actually the type of color that I wanted. I actually didn't want like a very yellow orange. I wanted more of a red orange. Okay. So I'm just gonna use my hands, and this is gonna be bright orange. So I I'm just gonna try and see what comes from this. Okay guys, so I washed this out. Let me just say, this has been one of the most like traumatic experiences. My roots are bright orange and then the rest is like a red. Like I wanted this color everywhere, but I am just gonna dry my hair real quickly. Ready? Reveal in 3, 2. I don't know if you can tell how bright it actually is, but oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I'm not doing this side. I like one side. I think one side looks so sick because it is something that I did think about, like how would my hair look when it's up. Considering I know nothing about dyeing hair and about any of this stuff, I would say it came out quite well. This is literally so bright. So yeah guys, I hope you liked that. I hope it was interesting to see the chaotic mess that I am when I'm trying to dye my hair. And yeah guys, if you like this, please give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. See you guys. Thank you so much for watching.